Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your PS5 is powered and the controller is responsive. This avoids interruptions. Press the PS button to open the control center, then go to Settings, the gear icon. Once there, choose Screen and Video. You do this because brightness settings live with display controls, and accessing them first gives you immediate control. Once the menu is visible, move into the video output and HDR sections to prepare for the adjustments that follow, so you don't toggle blind. You now refine HDR and brightness because they determine perceived luminance and black detail. From Screen and Video, choose Video Output and confirm resolution and RGB range match your TV. Mismatches cause washed-out images. Then open HDR and either set it to automatic or pick Adjust HDR to manually calibrate. Use the on-screen bars to set peak brightness and black level while watching reference patterns. Take it slowly so highlights aren't clipped, and shadow. Finish by saving your changes and testing with real gameplay and HDR video. You need to confirm both bright highlights and dark scenes look correct. If something looks off, go back to Adjust HDR, tweak the bars, or switch RGB range to full versus limited depending on your display. If issues persist, update PS5 firmware, verify you're using an HDMI 2.1 capable cable, and that your TV's game, or HDR mode, isn't overriding console settings. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.